Happy Vlogmas Day 17 from my classroom. Today, I'm gonna be cleaning because the kids just left 20 minutes ago. And this place needs some dusting, just some cleaning. So that is what today's vlog's gonna be about. First, I'm gonna get all the sugar gunk off this table. Holy moly, I made sure everything was clean for the food, and now I've got to do it after the food. So here we go. So glad today was comfy day. I'm wearing my joggers and a big old t-shirt just because that was what was comfy. Still have glitter glue, even though I've cleaned it like 4 times since we made our ornaments. Time to retire the mints till next year. Gotta undecorate the tree. Most of them took home their ornaments that they had made for this tree, and also their ones from art class. All right, it's gonna be a 2-bag situation, I think. Maybe not, we'll see. Oh, it works. Unless I find another one, which I usually do. All right, they did such a good job on this. I just got a phone call. One of my students is coming to visit, one of my former students. So excited. That was so much fun. She is such a sweetheart. And this was the same former student that I went to watch her marching band concert, and it was so good. Thank you for coming in to visit me if you're watching. Anyway, I am now going to sort through some ReadWorks articles of the day. They came collated and we use them. We give them a new one each day because we don't want them to get lost. So here's what I got going on. Here they are. Whoops, sorry about the hand. This is one of our sets of articles. Yes, there are 6. I can't ever decide. So what I do is either give them 2 articles one day, or sometimes I'll just save one back in case of, I don't know, something else. Like this one is great for maybe our study of the human body. I might save that one out, but probably not. I'll probably just give them all 6 because they're fun to read. Hello, it is a little after 3. I'm going to try to leave by no later than 3:30. That is my rule. Look at that. I just made it up, by the way. It's my new rule. Look at that trash over there. Ew. Anyway, I have been making progress. I'll show you what I'm going to work on right now. It should take me 10 minutes or less. So I pulled everything away on this table, and ew, there's like yucky, looky stuff. I don't even want to know what it is, but I'm going to clean this table off. I set our sign up for Monday. Let's see how many days in a row I can change it. There's Marvelous Monday, Something Tuesday, Wonderful Wednesday. Anyway, you get the picture, but let's see if I can keep up with that. Okay, that's so much better. I don't know if I've ever shown these in a video or not. I have had these for, oh gosh, probably 10, 15 years. So I cannot tell you where they came from. I made them, but I didn't come up with the questions, I don't think. Anyway, this is some cute old clip art I had. And anyway, they're just some little book buddy Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. Just little book buddy reading questions. And, you know, I've had to replace some through the years, but for the most part, they stand up. And then when they're buddy reading, I tell them just to go grab a book buddy ring. Actually, this year, I don't think I've even done these, but they can do that and then sit with a friend and go through the book they've read. There's several different ones. This one has a name, Amanda Nickerson, I think. Anyway, this was one I think I got on Teachers Pay Teachers with, I don't know where. It was a freebie or a bundle, but honestly, these are so old, I don't know. And then these are bookmarks that they can use when they're reading. And it just goes through what good readers do, some of the different skills that we work on in 3rd grade. So those are back here in the library. And I'm going to have to tie that because it's going to drive me crazy now that everything is nice and clean back here. So I'm just going to keep going on down the line. I did rehouse all our books. I put all the student mail in their mailboxes that I had. And I went through all of my books. Oh, it's like the first day of school again, and I need to go home, but I'm having such a good time having everything clean. So I have to still clean off the tops of the bookshelves. I didn't take everything out and wipe it down. I wiped in between. Not super well, but it's okay. And then over there, those things are usually up on my computer cart, but that we lock up in a alarmed room over the break. And then over there I went through all of those, and I'm not super happy because my skin tone markers and crayons and colored pencils are nowhere to be found, so we'll have to figure it out. It'll be fine. I have crayons, that's all that's left. And then more garbage right over there, and then I cleaned off the whatchamacallits back there, the drawers and the shelves and the sink area. I cleaned all along there. Ooh, what a mess it was. It was so gross. I did clean off the table already, and then I promptly piled a bunch of stuff back on it. So I'll wipe it down one more time. I cleaned these over here. They were kind of a hot mess. Just, ugh, the dust and dirt was just gross. I still have to re-home my Christmas books. I'll put those back, and then I did go through and organize a bunch of new papers from the copy center that we'd ordered, and then I cleaned all of that up there. So I'm feeling pretty spiffy right now, and I cleaned all that. Went through all the books, made sure everything was in order. So yes, I am feeling good. I have to change out my Benchmark Advance focus wall, and that is pretty much all I'm gonna do today. Okay, so remember how I was leaving at 3:30? It's almost 4:30, but the good news is I have tape in both tape dispensers. I did a lot, but I almost feel like it's ready for the first day of school again. Not really, because I need to change their seats, but I need to make a seating chart. Didn't have time to do that this week. But as far as like everything being clean, it's all nice. I have, you know, a few things here and there. Once the garbage is gone, it'll look a lot better. Anyway, I'm super happy, and I'm also leaving. So thank you for joining me for Cleaning in My Classroom Vlogmas Day 17. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay positive about the world we live in, and I'll see you tomorrow.